So let's look at these in detail. So when we talk about the underlying competencies according to BA-BOK, it means that we are referring to the qualities and the proficiencies that help a professional, such as a business analyst that we are talking about, perform the role of a business analyst. So that means that all the things that we've been discussing so far, all the activities, the knowledge areas, the tasks, the deliverables, the using of the specific techniques and interactions with the key stakeholders across the different knowledge areas. All of these are the ones that we are expecting, or the activities and tasks we are expecting a professional to perform. And for the BAs to perform, for people like you and me to perform those, what BA-BOK suggests is that we need to have some of the competencies and the skills required for us to be able to deliver the activities and work on the tasks. So the six areas, the six broad categories, as I mentioned, that we would need are the analysis and problem solving, behavioral skills, knowledge areas, communication skills, interpersonal skills, and technical skills. I think that's pretty self